The world around us is full of innumerable unknowns and unanswered questions. This is a part of the nature of our world. How we learn more and figure out the answers to these questions is the nature of science. Science is a way for us to learn, experience, figure out our natural world, the world around us. This is done through experiences in the form of investigations or experiments, collecting data, or making observations. Science takes broad questions and attempts to answer those questions. Once there is enough data or evidence, theories and possible explanations for those questions can be made. There is a general process of question, research, hypothesis, experiment, and evaluation or reflection, but this should only be used as a guideline for how one might collect evidence to answer a question. This general guide helps scientists know what is expected as they search for answers about the natural world, in order to have answers and explanations as clear and valid as possible. One main expectation for scientists is to have claims built on evidence. Without evidence, claims cannot be supported, nor can explanations or predictions be accurately made. How evidence is collected can vary by means. Evidence can be observed, or it can be created in a laboratory setting where different conditions are changed to see how stuff works and reacts. With evidence, there is the ability to give explanations and predictions that make sense. That is, they are built off logic and reasoning from what evidence has been collected. While there can be clear definitions and understandings of what science is, there are still many misconceptions about science. Science is not a lone, crazy man in a basement trying to create life, nor is it simply a class blowing stuff up and calling it science. Science is not a use of educated guesses to answer questions, and the questions answered do not provide absolute proof or complete answers all the time. Science is not solely made up of experiments or a single method of finding answers. Rather, science is a multifaceted, complex process where we use evidence to answer our questions about the natural world around us.
Created using Powtoon.